This video will show you how to find and replace cell values in Microsoft Excel. In the Home tab, click Find and select. Click Replace. Enter the value in the Find What text box field. This is the text that will be replaced. Enter the new value in the Replace with Text box field. This text will replace the original text. If you want to decide to replace each original value individually, choose Replace. But if you want to replace all the original values at once, choose Replace All. Click Find and select. Click Replace. Enter the value in the Find What text box field. You can use asterisk to find a string of characters. Enter the new value in the Replace with Text box field. Choose Replace All. You can also use a question mark to replace a single character in a search. Enter the new value in the Replace with Text box field. Choose Replace All. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.